Want to showcase your skills at global level and win some cool goodies and prizes, even MacBook too? So this video is perfectly for you. Make sure you subscribe the channel and do hype the video before we get into the video. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started. So here we are in the dev first homepage. Okay, this dev first homepage, the hackathons are hosted, like it is called as home for hackathons. For example, if you want to host an hackathon or whether you want to participate, you can use it free of cost. Now as you are participating, as this video is for participants, you have to come over here for the participants, and here you need to create your account. Now here you can see all these hackathons are listed over here. For example, if I open this hackathon, that is the AI Catalyst Accelerate Innovation. Here you can see the hackathon started from November itself and the deadline is 1st January 2026. So here you need to understand some of the rules also. So if you come to the hackathon rules, okay, you can see anyone. Okay, so there is no limitation. Like many of you are suggesting that please bring global events where people from other countries who are watching my videos can also participate other than India. So here you can see that here above legal age, like in India we have 18 plus as a legal age. In some countries it might be 16 plus or maybe 20 plus, depending on country, you know it better. So anyone can take part in it. So here first of all you have to come over here and any hackathon. Okay, and here you have to just check the requirements, like they have mentioned that what things you have to build, what projects and what things you need to integrate. Like here you can see in this AI partner catalyst hackathon challenge, you have to build using Datadog, and the second thing is that you have to use and integrate the Google Cloud products like Vertex AI, Gemini, and especially multiple things. Here you can see you can implement the 11 labs also. There are multiple challenges also. Like here we have Datadog challenge, Confluent challenge, 11 labs challenge. Like this you have to just check the challenge. And after that you need to read the submission guideline, like what you have to submit, like whether you have hosted the project or not. You have to select the repository, the public repository you have to select in the hackathon. And at last you will be getting some cool prizes. What are the prizes? The first prize, as you can see, is $12,500. Okay, and you'll be getting featured on their social media. Here you can see all these prizes are mentioned over here. Like these are the first prize, these are the second prize, and similarly the third place. And you can see like this only they have distributed the prizes over here. So how you have to join it? Simply just create the dev post account and just click on join hackathon. So now here, if you are just feeling that, okay, if you are feeling that you are new and you don't know coding, for that also you will just discover the challenges. Do not worry about it. So here you can see multiple hackathons are here. If I show you the MLH hackathon, if they have listed or not, let me search. So here you can see they have mentioned non-cash prices. Like if you want to have a cash prize also, you can see some are mentioning their cash prices over. So it's already ended. So let me just share a quick example with you. So for example, if you want to complete the Meta Horizon challenge, here also you can just open it like this and just see. Now here you can see the requirements also, and see what happens in the hackathon. You can participate as a team also or individual also. Some hackathons have their requirements. They will be mentioning on the page also. So you can just take part. Like if you don't know coding, you can prepare a video, screen record it, or if you are UI UX expert, you can design the layout of. If you are building a website, you can just design the layout, or the other person will narrate the demo. Like this you can distribute the workload. So even if you don't know anything, you can just distribute among and just help the project to get built very sooner. So this is the thing you need to understand. So like this you have to check the hackathons. Okay, now hackathons are individual and projects are unique. So in that case, In that case, copy pasting is not allowed. You have to build the real projects. For that, as I said earlier, if you know coding, you apply your coding skills like front end, back end, or even you know any special like OpenCV. Like you can build some AI tools also. If you can build, you can just like in the AI agents, you must have been seen that we are building AI agents. Like this, you can build up projects depending on the hackathon theme. Okay, so like this you have to build it, and if you are no code part, like you don't know coding, then also video recording in demo you can easily do it. You can learn how to demo, how you can just you check, you can come to the project gallery. Okay, so they have not posted. Basically when the hackathon ends, they post a project gallery so that you can just check the winners, who are the winners. For example, if in the Meta Horizon challenge, if we come, you can see that this is a challenge. If I just show you, wait a second. Okay, so here you can see these are the prices mentioned over here. Like here you have a option to build best entertainment experience. You can build a VR etc like kind of thing, or you can just make for lifestyle. Here you can see all the criterias are there. If you want to see the what to build also, you can just check it. In simple words, I think it's getting complex. In depth post, you get a chance to just see whatever hackathons are hosted, and by just seeing that you can just participate and win the swags also. So this is the quick thing I wanted to share. I will be sharing some cool hackathons also, which will help you to learn and you can participate and just build your knowledge also. So this was a quick thing I wanted to share. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Also do hype the video too. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.